Hello, my dear friends. How are you today? Today we have a fresh topic. The name of this topic is Describe a friend or person who is a very good leader. And yes, like always, we have few keywords like who this person is, how you know this person, what he does, how this person behaves. Why do you think he is a good leader or not? And it's a part one section for this topic. And in this section, first of all, we are going to identify the tense. After that, I will give you fluency blueprint and I will try to create my own story on the basis of this fluency blueprint. And after fluency blueprint, we will take a look on actual answer. Then I will give you 6 follow-up questions because this topic has 6 follow-up questions. And yes, our next topic is describe a dinner you really enjoyed. If you don't want to miss this topic, then definitely you need to subscribe this channel or like this video. And we have few instructions. Do not fast forward. While doing fast forward or while reading or listening with the help of fast forward technique, you will lose some information, so it would be not a good idea. If your listening is very strong, then you can run this video on 1.25x or 1.50x, so you will become an active listener. Okay, so now we need to identify the tense. Who is a good leader? Okay, means he is still in a present. Who this person is in present. How you know this person? Maybe in a past. What he does in present. How this person behaves in past also, in present also. Means it's a kind of habit. Why do you think he's a good leader? So in present. So we need to synchronize this passage or story in a present and past formation, right? Okay. So it is the blueprint, I can say a fluency blueprint. Just pause this video and draw this fluency blueprint in your notebook or take a piece of paper and draw this fluency blueprint on your piece of paper. Okay, I hope you have done with it. Now let me create a rough story on the basis of this fluency diagram. I met a lot of people and many of them are working in the field of social politics or I can say social services, and they are very good leaders. Today I would like to talk about one person. His name is Kamal and I got to know about him when I was studying in my school, and even we both completed our graduation from the same college. First I met with Kamal when I was in 6th standard. On that time we just did normal conversation with each other, and I found that chemistry between us very strong because we both like same things, like our liking is was quite same on that time. And after that we went to the canteen and take a stroke of our school, means a round of our school. And after that he went, when we were in college, he had been joined student union, and while working in a student union, he, I can say he worked very good over there to control the environment. Even his decisions, the decisions taken by him were very productive and 100% correct, I can say, for students and other faculty members also. And even while working as a team member in student union, we need some money because we need to conduct many type of, I can say, activities and rallies. So he was very good to collect money from the business tycoons. Okay, and they gave money to him for some kind of sponsorship. Okay, even he achieved a very good place in our college duration. For example, when we were in uh, final year, he had become the chairman of student union, and we called him a kind of problem solver. He is a person who always solve other people's problem. Currently he is working as a team member of Akal Social Welfare Trust, and the motive of his job is, I can say, he's he is battling, or I can say he is fighting against poverty and medical aid. So a person who is not financially sound and need a money to cure some kind of disease, so he is also providing this kind of services to them. His behavior, my god, his behavior is still same as compared to other people. Like I can say he is still polite and mm, what is the right word, he's still polite and very active. Yes, he's still polite and very active. When I talk with him, then he always told me about his achievements, and sometimes he cracked jokes, and he told me how he switched the situations for other people, like this kind of things. So according to me, he's the right person and uh, right leader, and definitely he will grow more in the same social, as a social worker, or I can say a good person also. So okay friends, it is the rough story on the basis of our fluency blueprint in the form of past and present and mixture. Now it is time to read the actual cue card, because we need it, a professional language. Okay, well, I would like to say something about my friend Rajni. We both had been studied in a same school and college for 6 years. I met her when I was in ninth grade, and we also had been lived in same dormitory room in our college hostel at room number 45 for 3 years. When we met for the first time in our school, she shook hands with me, or she shook hand with me. Then we went to the school canteen and took a stroll on the campus. We talked a little bit about our past and soon we got to know each other. She was quite good at handling with complicated interpersonal relationship and had a strong relation in leadership skill. When we had some difficulties in making a choice, then or when we had some interpersonal problems, we always called her for help. She could always give us a good suggestion, and yes, with politeness. Student union had been joined by her when we were in college. You know, the student union always carry out some activities, so they needed money to keep it run. Rajni was quite good at asking for money from big companies for the sponsorship. The money has got during a year was much more than the total amount of money which was got by all former leaders for the student union. She had become the chairman of the student union in the third year of college. Nowadays, she has been working as a team member of Akal Social Welfare Trust. I can say she is an active member of their team. Actually, her battle is against poverty and provide medical aid to all poor people. She still has same behave which she had in college time. We are still in touch with each other. Occasionally she called me and told me about her learnings which she has learned from life. After doing conversation with her, at last I think she is a very good and brave leader, and yes, a good person also. Okay, now time to take a look of our follow-up questions. Who is the leader of the family in your culture? I can say a person with experience and the oldest male member of the family. In most part of the India, there is a male controlled society. Are men better at decision making in a family? Nowadays, there are no gender differences as far as decision making is concerned. Generally, the judgments are made by the eldest male associate in the people in male controlled societies. But as far as the capability to make decisions is concerned, according to me, there are no gender differences and woman is it all as good as man in making decisions. In fact, at my house, most of the time, decisions are made by my mother. Do you think that in future there will be more women leaders? Well, future is uncertain. We can't say anything about future right now, and so it is difficult to say whether there will be more women. There will be more women leaders in future. However, as women are coming up in all fields, shoulder to shoulder with men, so maybe in future we will see more women leaders. Should a leader discuss with team members when making decisions? Yes, definitely. A leader should discuss with his team members while making decisions because his main responsibility is to complete the job successfully. So, a leader synchronize everything in work environment and say new orders with production speed like that. What relationship skill do you find most useful? All leaders must know how to solve problems for their team and company. The best companies solve a particular problem for their clients, and the best leaders solve problems at work. For example, if an employee comes to you with a problem, your number one goal is as a leader is to solve the problem in the best interest of both the company and employees. How do you describe your leadership style? I consider myself as a transformation leader because I can encourage people to set goals that directly align with their success. In my school or college time, students and teachers ask me to set their students' timetable for learning so they can learn and score more in their examination. So, with this, we completed our first section of this video, and I will see you in our part 2 section, in which I will read the cue card once again and I will give you the mini story